You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to our podcast. Today we're talking about packing and shipping your home to Denmark and what you can bring. When preparing for an international move, one of the biggest questions you're going to face is what to bring and how to ensure it arrives safely. Moving from the United States to Denmark presents the opportunity to bring a wide variety of household items with you. Still, careful planning and professional packing are essential to ensure a smooth journey. At SDC International Shipping, we handle everything from fine china to king-sized beds. Our team of experienced packers uses industry-approved materials and techniques to wrap, cushion, and crate your belongings. Whether you're shipping high-value artwork or everyday kitchenware, we ensure that everything is protected during transit. We help you create an accurate, itemized inventory of what you're shipping, an essential part of custom documentation. Most of our clients choose to bring essential furniture such as dining tables, sofas, mattresses, and home office equipment. We also accommodate outdoor items such as garden furniture and sports gear. For fragile or bulky items, we offer custom crating solutions to prevent movement and impact during ocean or air freight transportation. You're also going to have options based on shipment size. A full container load is ideal if you're relocating an entire household. A less than container load works well for partial moves or supplementary shipments. Both options allow us to transport your belongings to your new home in Denmark securely. If you opt for our professional packing services, we manage every step from disassembling furniture to labeling boxes. This service ensures the integrity of your items and increases the likelihood of hassle-free custom clearance. Plus, it makes unpacking and organizing in your new home much easier. Don't leave anything to chance. With SDC International Shipping, your belongings are in safe hands from start to finish. Call 877-339-0267 today to schedule your professional packing service.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.